Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on FIDA. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, bonfida formed a very huge symmetrical triangle on the same 7 days time frame chart, and at the same time, it was also moving inside a quite long-term down channel as well. And this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price line has once again reached the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. This was the triangle. You can see that it is moving inside the symmetrical triangle, and with the very powerful buying volume, you can see that the volume is quite powerful. Here we have a very nice buying volume, and the price line has reached the resistance with the powerful buying volume. Therefore, this time there is a very high probability that we may see a very powerful attempt to break out the resistance of this triangle. And at the same time, this resistance is also breaking as a resistance of a quite big and long-term down channel as well. You can see that since after the month of December 2023, we found this downtrend line support as well. That is also working as a support of this channel. At the same time, it's also moving inside this triangle. And this was the previous falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my so many previous videos. And we have broken out this wedge here in the month of November 2023. By the way, previously, since after the month of November 2021 up till the month of November 2023, it has been moving inside this wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for bonfida that I shared in the previous month of November on 11th of November 2024 with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal grab move that it was completing on a 30 minutes chart with US dollar pair, and this was the complete trade signal. If buying's on and the sell target's on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. First, it dropped down, completed the final leg here, and the buying zone. Then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 10% pump only on this 30-minute time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of bonfida, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March 2022, when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, the price line is moving inside this very big and long-term symmetrical triangle. This is a symmetrical triangle, by the way. And you can see that now the movement is quite squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, now it can soon break this pattern. And here we can see that the buying volume is showing us that we may break out the resistance, because we have a support of a very powerful buying volume with a very nice buying volume. We had this bounce from the support to the resistance of this triangle. At the same time, this resistance is also breaking as a resistance of a quite big and long-term down channel as well. This is the support of the channel that we found here in the month of January 2024, and since then it is working as a very nice support. For example, if the price will be rejected, then it can again drop down at the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 14.15 cents. But before that, we will have this long-term uptrend line support of this big and long-term symmetrical triangle that can work as a strong support somewhere here, approximately at uh, 21.5 cents. And by the way, at 21.5 cents, we also have a quite long-term horizontal support as well, the price level support as well. That was previously working as support here and support here, almost as support here, and for the past several months, it is working as a very strong support. Now, if the price then breaks out the resistance of this channel and this triangle, then technical target for the breakout from the channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 70 cents. And the target for the breakout from this triangle, the conservative target, can be here. That will be approximately at $6.55. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.